Okay, hello everyone. Today in our second grade classroom, we are going to be adding two-digit numbers using grouping. So we already know how to count, obviously, we're in second grade. We know how to add single-digit numbers up to 10, and we know our place values, and we practice that using our place value mat, and we can place at least two-digit numbers, if not more. I might do a quick review of place value if I don't think that they really remember, but let's say for this case they do. And they absolutely know where the ones place and the tens place are at least, again, if not more. So everyone is going to get a worksheet and a cupcake liner, some container filled with 17 goldfish or some other manipulative. I think goldfish might be easier because it's a single color. If you use something like M&Ms, the colors might get confusing just to the eye and to them. If you know your class likes to nibble, maybe put a few extra in there, but I would stress that you need to have them to have at least 17 for this lesson, and all the goldfish will be theirs to snack on afterward. We're going to start with a problem. So I'm eating a snack and I'm doing my homework, and I want to use the counting method to add up my goldfish to help me with my math problem, just so I can see it a little better, but I don't have enough goldfish. The numbers are too big, and again, I don't have enough goldfish. I only have 17 because, I've been snacking on them as I've been doing my homework. I would start by having them copy down the problem onto their worksheet, which is 57 plus 32. So we'd fill in those boxes. And I would probably use a projector to do this simultaneously, just so there's a little less confusion and less explaining. So then using the goldfish, I'm going to have them count up 7, and then they're going to put that right on top of their 7 box. Then they're going to count up 2, put 2 on top of their 2 box, 5 on top of their 5, 3 on top of their 3. There we go. Then I'm going to have them, as a group, as a class, identify to me which side is the ones, which side is the tens. They should know this already, but just to review and so everybody's on the same page. And then I'm going to have them use their hands and slide down all of the goldfish that are in the ones place and put them in that bottom box right there on the right hand side. And then I'm going to have them just count them up. So they're going to get 9, and they're going to write 9. Keep the goldfish there, move them, it doesn't really matter. And then they're going to do the same for the other side. So they're going to take the whole side, slide them down, count up all the goldfish, and they're going to get 8. Write the 8. And then we're going to talk about how when we split them and counted the ones, counted the tens, we got 2 parts to our answer, and this makes up our whole answer, calling this grouping when we're adding or subtracting. And this lesson is constructivist because it's building on our counting and place value skills to be able to add up numbers that are greater than 10. It also uses food, which is a loved manipulative of everyone, not just students. And it takes an everyday problem that we might face of not having something or enough of something to use the counting method to solve a problem. And it also shows another way, other than the expanded form method, which we may or may not have learned yet, to add two-digit numbers.